Virtual reality is changing the way we teach and learn. Experience the subject, engage the student, create excitement, and vivid three-dimensional memories. How is virtual reality different to every other medium? Immersion, that is the illusion that you're actually in the virtual world, and intuitive, easy-to-use controls. Uses in the classroom. Geography and geology. Zoom in to Godzilla size. Cities. Mountain ranges. Geological formations. Biology. Shrink down to microbe size. Explore anatomy from new perspectives. A human heart anatomically accurate from the inside. History. Rome at its height. Beautifully detailed classic art. Out into space.
Atlas V with Curiosity.
And to the planets. Multi-user virtual classrooms, lecture halls, laboratories, field trips, show and tell.
There's a perfect circle of them. These were known as fairy circles.
Custom avatars for multiple users. Make notes. Use 3D models and other resources like images and videos. Across a room or a continent in VR or with a PC. VR is a natural fit for vocational and engineering training. Workshop safety training. Driver training. Mechanic training. Understand systems.
While spinning inside the generator coils, these magnets create a magnetic field.
Program robots. Set up assembly lines. New perspectives on coding. VR brings new creative possibilities. Easy 3D modeling. Painting with light and space. Unique new musical instruments. This supports multi-user. VR bands and live performances are possible. Draw and jump in.
Oh, whoa, wait.
Create and
I
animate.
have to do the dance. Yeah.
At the virtual space, we aim to educate Africa through VR.
In the next video in this series, we'll show you how to use VR in the classroom now at low cost.